Search Microsoft Teams Download in your web browser. Click on Download Microsoft Teams Desktop. Click on Download App for Desktop. Click on Download Teams for Home, or you can download Teams for work or school. Wait for Microsoft Teams to download. Microsoft Teams is downloading. Click on the Open button to start installing Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams will start to install. Microsoft Teams has now started to install. It will take about a minute to install. It is almost finished installing. Microsoft Teams is now installed. You can sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, Microsoft Teams will open. You can now use Microsoft Teams to join a meeting or start a meeting. Like and subscribe.